Hi students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to discuss the line by line explanation of the poem Mother to Son. Well, son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. It's had tacks in it and splinters and boards torn up and places with no carpet on the floor, bare. In the first section of lines, use begins with a speaker addressing her son. The first words, well, son, I'll tell you, sets up the conversation as informal but also important. She clearly has something she needs to tell him. And it isn't going to be easy. The main thing that the mother wants to tell her son is that life for her hasn't been no crystal stair. She is contrasting her own life against one that is easy to progress through or up. In her case, moving forward represents a staircase with tacks and splinters protruding from the wood. The wood is also torn up in places. Entire boards missing. It is dangerous to leave her life, and more often than not, each step presents something new to fear. The fact that boards are missing from the staircase speaks to the lack of support she received or to the missing links in her own understanding of what she should do next. The last lines add to the already painful and at times scary staircase she has described. Of the boards that do remain on the stairs and the landing, she will come to in the next lines. Some of those do not have carpet. Again, she is describing the poor conditions she has had to deal with and what a struggle it has been and still is for her to live. Next lines, but all the time has been a climbing on and reaching lanterns and turning corners and sometimes going in the dark where there ain't been no light. Despite all of the things mentioned in the first 7 lines, the speaker is still moving forward. She wants to make sure that above all these, this is the lesson her son learns. All the time she had been struggling, she has also been climbing on up the metaphorical stairs of her life. To describe the different periods of her life, she inserts landings into the staircase. These are places the stairs might take a turn or she might be able to rest. Whenever she reached these lanterns, she went ahead and turned the corner. The speaker was not afraid of what might be on the other side, even when she was entering into the dark. This is another character trait she is hoping to pass on to her son. Even though she knows how bad things can be, she is unafraid or at least strong enough to face them. Not only are the places she is forced to go dark, but there has never been any light there. This means that either she is the first one there or one of many who have seen the same darkened corridors of life. So boy, don't you turn back, don't you sit down on the steps, cause you find it skinted hard. Don't you fall now? For I still going, honey, I still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair. In the final stanza of Mother to Son, the speaker directly addresses her son again. She uses the word boy to call his attention and make sure he is still listening to her. The mother tells her son that no matter what he might be going through, now or in the future, he cannot turn back. There is nothing down the stairs that will help one make it past an obstacle ahead. She also tells him not to sit down on the steps. Any hesitation or fear will only make the situation worse. He needs to persevere, especially past these most difficult parts. The speaker also warns her son against falling. The stairs must be handled carefully as there are broken boards, tacks, and splinters to avoid. These obstacles, not of one's own making, are only emphasized by those brought on by one's choices. The staircase becomes more and more difficult depending on how one handles their own life. In the last 3 lines, the speaker reiterates that even though life is hard, she is still going. She is still climbing through the hardships. Let's see the images used in the poem. Staircase represents the journey of life. Boards torn up, tacks, splinters indicates the difficulties and hardships in life. Dark and light means time of uncertainty in mother's life. Let's check what do these expressions mean. Crystal stair means a smooth, easy set of steps between two floors of a building. Reaching landings means going as far as the floor at the top of stairs. Turn in corners means beginning to improve. Ain't been no light means there has been no light. Let's check the meaning of these words. Crystal, glass. Tacks means small broad-headed nails. Splinters means broken pieces. So students, that's all about the poem. Let's read the textbook. Thank you.